We're a full-service environmental and engineering due diligence company. So that would include Phase 1 environmental site assessments, Phase 2 environmental site assessments, site remediation, property condition assessments, seismic risk evaluations. It's all part of that process of evaluating your risk at a given property, both in the subsurface and above ground, before considering a deal.
For us, relationships are everything. And while we certainly are lenders and know and understand where we are in our expertise, we need an environmental firm that we can go to when we have questions, especially on the front end of a lot of our projects, to help us understand the kind of due diligence that we need as we're going to progress through a transaction with a customer. They really make the complex simple.
One of the unique things about our company within our industry is that we utilize only environmental professionals to complete the work from start to finish at every level of environmental assessment. It's very common in our industry to utilize entry-level staff to complete lower levels of work. But the fact is, decisions are still being made on commercial real estate utilizing those reports. And we feel it's our responsibility to put environmental professionals on the ground, completing the work from start to finish, and reviewed by an environmental professional after the fact. One of the great conveniences about working with us is our capacity. So even when we are in the busiest of times, one of our clients can call us up and put in an order, and we can fulfill that need.
We have staff all over the nation, and so I'm looking for the right person for the right fit that knows and has a history of working, say, with a lumber mill, or with a medical facility, or even a mobile home park. Every one of those has its own little nuances.
And our clients know that they can put an order in, whether it's in the middle of nowhere or a downtown corridor, and they know that we have access, they know that we have the expertise, and there's never going to be a question of, does my consultant have the ability to assess this site? They know with confidence that they can show up for the order and it's going to get done.
We are very meticulous, and we want to make sure everything that we complete is of high quality. We want to make sure that we've seen everything visually, whether it be looking at an electrical panel, looking at the natural gas meters, looking at how everything in the site is used. And that really gives us a better idea of what the site is now and what the site was.
Green Environmental is very accessible to us, and being accessible allows us to deliver better customer service to our customers.